The SawStop Industrial Cabinet Saw is the flagship of the SawStop table saw line. This is the heaviest, most powerful 10-inch cabinet saw available. Since its introduction, the Industrial Cabinet Saw has set the standard for table saw safety, performance, durability, and uncompromising quality. Of course, the heart of the Industrial Cabinet Saw is SawStop contact detection. And like every other SawStop, this saw features a host of other safety features. But when it comes to safety, the Industrial Cabinet Saw goes above and beyond, with features like interlock switches on all cabinet doors to prevent saw operation when the doors are open, and a lockout-tagout disconnect switch that can be locked in the off position. Plus, SawStop's groundbreaking engineering directs turbulent air from the blade, substantially reducing the safety risks presented by wood dust, with unmatched 99% dust collection, achieved through advanced shrouding both above and below the table. At nearly 700 pounds, the Industrial Cabinet Saw is the heaviest 10-inch saw around. The weight comes from the massive cast iron and steel elements that make up this beast of a saw. The cast iron trunnion is unparalleled in its mass and precision. The table surface is not only the industry's largest, but is machine ground to the tightest tolerances from a single piece of cast iron. The arbor is overbuilt for strength and stability, and the bearings are up to 50% larger than other saws. It all adds up to a true cut every time, with less vibration and a longer life. Having the right power is also essential to ensuring that true cut. With an available 7.5 horsepower motor, the SawStop Industrial Cabinet Saw is the most powerful 10-inch cabinet saw you can buy. Transferring all that power to your cuts are state-of-the-art multi-V-ribbed belts. They provide more torque with less vibration and are a major improvement over the V-belts found on ordinary saws. Precision is found not just in size and power, but in execution as well. SawStop engineers have meticulously designed the undertable assemblies for maximum performance. A gas piston carries the weight of the internal mechanism so that raising and lowering the blade are effortless. The trunnions and motor are perfectly balanced for precise tilt adjustments. And each saw is perfectly aligned at the factory so that every cut is dead on. A good fence is essential to repeated accurate cutting. SawStop's industrial T-Glide fence is an unmatched assembly of steel that glides smoothly over the saw, is infinitely adjustable, and locks down solid. Multiple glide plates and the adjustable rail prevent the rough, jerky movement that's common with other fences. If your environment requires mobility, the Industrial Mobile Base is the solution. Designed because no other base could handle the mass of the Industrial Cabinet Saw, this 1,000-pound capacity base offers the ultimate in ease and mobility. 3 quick pumps of the hydraulic piston raises the saw, and 4 independent polyurethane wheels turn in any direction, at your direction. Then simply release the piston, and the saw lowers safely to rest directly on the floor. No detail is forgotten with the Industrial Cabinet Saw. From the custom-cut zero-clearance insert with tool-free lockdown to the available overarm dust collection assembly, the goal is always maximum safety and performance. Revolutionary safety, unsurpassed quality. Experience the precision and peace of mind that is the SawStop Industrial Cabinet Saw.